Hello, my name is James. Today, I am truly grateful to bring you this lecture. It was written by Neville Goddard. Let's get started. Releasing the negative. Welcome, everyone. Today's lecture will cover the subject of releasing the negative. We all know that negativity can be an insidious force that tears us down and keeps us in dissatisfaction, no matter how much we strive to move forward or attain our desires. This lecture will provide tools for releasing the negativity and for achieving that inner peace and contentment we all strive for. Section 1, The Problem. Negativity is a powerful force. It can come from many sources, from our environment and from the people around us, from inside ourselves and from our own thoughts. Regardless of its source, negativity can have a profoundly destructive influence on our lives and our chances of achieving our desired outcomes. Let's talk about how this works. Negativity can stop us from taking necessary action. That's because it instills within us a feeling of uncertainty and doubt. When we are in this state of mind, we procrastinate or struggle to take any action at all. This can lead to missed opportunities and feelings of powerlessness or helplessness. Negativity can also lead to feelings of low self-worth, low self-esteem, and depression. And these in turn affect our behavior and can lead to more negative outcomes. So it is important that we do whatever we can to release this negativity and to move forward. Section 2, Understanding the Power of Our Thoughts. Before we go any further, it's important to discuss the power of our thoughts and how they affect us. We all know that our thoughts are powerful. They can shape our beliefs, our outlook, and our behaviors. They are powerful enough to move us in new and exciting directions or, if they are harmful, to hold us back and keep us stuck in an emotional rut. Negative thoughts can be particularly destructive. They can feed our fear and doubt, which can lead to inaction or to negative outcomes. But the good news is that we can use our thoughts to create positive change. We can start by becoming aware of our thoughts and the emotion they bring. If a thought is negative or harmful, we can choose not to give it power by consciously choosing not to dwell on it. And we can choose to focus our attention and energy on positive and affirming thoughts. Section 3, Releasing the Negative. Now let's move on to the subject of releasing the negative. This can be done in a variety of ways. Here are some of them. 1. Practice mindfulness. The act of being mindful and aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations can help us to become aware of any negative thoughts or emotions we may have. Once we have identified them, we can work on releasing them. 2. Use visualization. Picturing ourselves surrounded by a white or golden light, or performing an activity that brings us joy and positivity, can help to clear our minds and evoke an emotional response that helps us release the negative and embrace the positive. 3. Speak affirmatively. Speaking words of positivity and affirmation can help us to release any negative thoughts or feelings we are experiencing. It can help to instill a sense of hope and encourage us to move forward. 4. Hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is a powerful tool that can help us to tap into the unconscious mind and to directly and effectively address any negative thoughts or emotions we may have. Section 4, Wrap Up. To wrap up, we've covered the subject of releasing the negative and discussed how our thoughts and feelings can affect our behavior and our chances of achieving our desired outcomes. We've discussed the power of mindfulness, visualization, affirmations, and hypnotherapy and how they can help us to let go of any negative influences and to move forward in a positive and confident way. I hope you all found it useful. Thank you for watching today's video.